Okay. So let's start the dance. The first step of the dance. Start ला एक music आहे. Gumsum gumsum gumsum. Okay. So that music is fast, and so is our step. Okay. That step just is movement of the hands of your wrist. So to start with, first let's concentrate. This is my left and this is my right. You will be seeing the mirror image. Okay. So either me left बोलला की मी left करा और right बोलला right करा और सेम माझ्यासारखं करा. म्हणजे माझं लेफ्ट तुमचं राईट होईल, माझं राईट तुमचं लेफ्ट होईल. एनिथिंग इज फाइन बिकॉज दिस इज अ सिमेट्रिक डान्स फॉर्म. ओके. सो मी आता तरी लेफ्ट राईट बोलतीये. यू कैन ईदर डू लेफ्ट एंड राईट. फाइन. So the first step is 1, 2. Okay. Now I'll show you how the hand goes. 1. Do it 1. Like 1. 1. Just move your wrist from down to up and let it flow. Okay. Hope everyone is doing. So it is both together. 1. So this goes up, the other right hand goes down. So it is 1, a 2. 1, a 2. Only this much. Okay. So it is 1, 2. Gumsum, gumsum, gumsum. Chupla. Upward words. Okay. So it is 1, 2, 3. Easy. 1, 2, 3. So this is up and this is down. When your left hand is up, your right hand is down. Just add a little grace. Because just तुम्ही असं असं केलं, it is not going to look good. Now entire your dance is in your hands and face. Okay. Face आपण थोड्या वेळाने करू. पहिला आता आपण hand करू. So 1, 2, 3. It's okay for now. So gumsum gumsum gumsum. This is for 3 times. Gumsum 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 आणि एक chup येतं, chup. So for that chup, you have to gracefully take your hand up and it will go like this, like this. So my wrists are touching each other and my thumb is outside with my fingers over here. So 1, 2, 3 and then gracefully take it up like this. Your thumbs are out and then you're back again. Okay. So this will be the base position. You start from here. 1, 2, 3. You take it up. This is clear, right? Your wrists are touching outside and your thumb is out and your hands are together. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Up and down. Is it simple? So let's do this on the music. On music, it will be a little faster. Okay. So I'm playing the music. Okay, so this is the start of the music. Give me this. Okay, this is fine till now? It's fine?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not fine.
What is not right?
The song.
The song.
And I can't hear it properly.
Okay, how do we do this now? Because
no, that's okay, Aishwarya, it's there. Your voice is there. So few guys might be there issue from their end. You can continue.
There must be internet problem with them.
Guys, don't come out on. Don't unmute yourself. If you keep on mute, we can hear it properly.
Because the phone is very close to the.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Continue, Aishwarya.
Okay, sure. So this is the start. Fine. It's clear, right? 1, 2, 3, up and down. 1, 2, 3, up and down. खालची जी स्टेप आहे त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त आपले हे wrist हलवायचे आहेत. 1, 2, 3 एवढंच. हे हात आपल्याला काहीच हलवायचे नाहीये. Just keep your hands stationary आणि 1, 2, 3 एवढंच करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे. तुम्ही असे बसा जसं मी बसलीये, साईडला बसा किंवा मांडी घालून बसा. दिस इज अ सिटिंग डान्स फॉर्म. ओके. सो तुम्ही चेअरवर बसलात, जर तुम्ही असा व्हिडिओ करत असाल तर चेअरवर बसा. इट विल नॉट लुक दॅट गुड. So this is a good position to sit. Fine. So it is 1, 2, 3, up and down. 1, 2, 3, up and down. ही दोनदा step होते start ला. ठीक है? Then on your left side you take both your hands. Okay? मी थोड़ा ह्या side ला shift होते so that it is visible. The next step after gumsum gumsum gumsum, I will start it. Okay? Okay. So it is. The step is you go from down to up. कशे हात खालून अशे वर. ठीक है? Down to up, down to up. ठीक है? Now make sure you open your hands as wide as you can. तरच ते चांगलं दिसणार. जर तुम्ही असं केलं ना तर स्टेप काय आहे ती दिसणारच नाही. Okay? So open your hands as wide and as open as you can. So down and up. असं just open it. See, you can see all my fingers. If I do it like this, then you won't be able to see anything. So down and up on your left side, down and up. So this is four steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? You'll do this on your left. The same steps you'll do it on your right for the 4 counts. Similarly, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. But before that, we'll first finish off the left side. Okay, let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you're here, you have to do a down step. Now, how is this down step? See, my both hands are pointing downwards, as if I'm pouring something. मी काहीतरी असं ओततीये, see, असं. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, down, and just pat it as if you have kept something. ठीक है? हे music वर कळेल आपल्याला. For now, हे steps count वर घेऊया. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just hand move करा. आपली body straight ठेवा. ठीक है? Keep your shoulders straight. Move your hands to the side. If you move entirely like this, then तुम्हाला दिसणार नाही की like it's you. Keep your face to the front. Okay, so we'll go from the start. 1, 2, 3, go. Start ची step आठवती है सगळ्यांना? How is the start step? 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to do it gracefully. Asa, we can do it. Asa, but we can do it. But we have to do it gracefully. How? 1, 2, 3, and up. Up she position kashi hai? Both wrists together, thumb outside, and hands together. Okay? Up and down. Again. 1, 2, 3, and up and down. Next, to your left, what are you going to do? From down you go up, from down you go up, and then pour and keep. The same step is on your right. From down you go up, from down you go up, and pour and keep. Is it okay till now? Can I get a thumbs up if it's all fine? It's okay? Okay, great. I'm getting thumbs up. That's good. Okay, people have joined together. That's nice. Great. Okay. So now let's do all this with some music. Hope it is audible. If not, do it continuously. Even if it is not audible, later I can send the audio to you. At least you can learn the dance. Okay. So I will start it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
I know it's a bit fast, but did you understand how are the steps going with the music? We'll do it once again and then I'll ask for a thumbs up. Okay? Let's do it once again. Do it, okay? That's fine. Can I get a thumbs up if you have learned it properly with the music, like with the fast music? Okay. Okay, great. Okay. Someone is giving a thumbs down. Any issue? Okay. Fine, there are more thumbs up. Okay, we'll keep practicing this so I get a thumbs up at the end every day, every time. Okay, sure. So for now, 1, 2, 3, up and down, 1, 2, 3, up and down. This 4 times down and pat. This 4 times down and pat. Okay. Now the wordings जे बोलतात गाण्यात that starts. Okay. So it is प्यारी प्यारी चेहरे ने. Okay, प्यारी प्यारी चेहरे ने. So you have done this here. Okay, and you're looking down.